Hey, Dave Cook coming at you. We at the DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. And this is the wallpaper we are hanging, Carnegie, well it is Carnegie, I don't know how you say it, Xorel, I had no idea. This is the second time we've actually hung this in the last 6 months. Third time, actually. Each time it's been a pretty similar experience. It says use a clear paste. If I did this again, I would definitely use a clay. It's really hard to get it to unroll and get rid of its memory. And then when you're putting it up on the wall, the places where we had seams here and up here, we couldn't get it to lay back down. So I had to actually lift it, glue the wall, glue the paste, let it sit, and then fold it back in. Otherwise, it wouldn't lay down. And we're having it, and same thing on the bottom. I actually had to pull it up, re-glue it, pull it up, re-glue it twice to get it to stick. And then this edge here, we're having the same problem where I've glued it 3 times, letting it sit, and it's just not, I don't know, it just doesn't want to lay down. The ends of it just want to curl up like this piece of paper, just wants to curl right up. So I would use clay next time, either that or mix, 50% clay, 50% clear, I don't know. We tried booking the last piece. It was a small strip. I tried booking this one longer. So it says 5 minutes. I booked this one about 10 minutes. It definitely was easier. And because of the clear, it was 2, 3, 4, and we had it shaken for a paste machine. So it was a little bit on the thinner side. So we had more open time with it. That definitely on this last piece helped, but still the same issue we had on the edges. It just here to here, that like 3 feet, it just did not want to lay down like normally you'd expect. Use sharp blades, they're not kidding. Use sharp blades or it'll fray. Trying to think what else. We did not double cut it. We did not trim it on the table. Our table wasn't big enough for where we had the room in here. So we put it on the wall and double cut it. But again, snap off your blades, use fresh razors, whichever you're gonna use. Every cut, use a fresh one. But there's the paper. For a little bit better look. Almost looks like painted burlap, like some of the places in Chicago where they have wallpaper for a long time, they painted it. That's kind of what it looks like. Not that it's a bad look, it's just something different. So all wallpapers and accent wallpapers do not have to be something fancy. This is a solid color on the wall, but durability, this will last a lot longer than paint ever will. So if you have other questions about wallpaper, accent wallpapers, or painting, definitely give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.